What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful freaking evening on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. But today we're just doing a little solo ride on the way to a little family dinner. We got a beautiful sunset and decent weather. It's pretty cold, but you know. Oh shoot, I forgot my wallet. Anyway, pretty cold, but and windy. But you know what? It's okay. Ah! And traffic. I hit neutral. But yeah, I got a lot of traffic today, and it is literally so windy. I'm being pushed around right now. Hee. But that's all right. We still gonna make a little video for y'all. Cause I like doing it. But it was pretty warm today, so that's just the freaking cold air coming in, because it is gonna be cold tomorrow. Gonna be in the 30s. Yeah. But that's all right. Whoa. But we're gonna try to have a safe ride in all this wind. And I'm not gonna ride too fast because I forgot my wallet. So if I get pulled over, I'm screwed. No ID, no license. Ah! Oh well. But I'm gonna friggin' hunker down. Woo! It's like pushing me around. Luckily it's a little bit to my back right now, so that helps a bit. Maybe. But there's, oh my god, there's so many freaking leaves in the air. Ah! Glad I got a full face helmet. That would have hurt. Slice my eyeball open. Should probably turn on my brights. Traffic to top it all off. Woohoo! No place to call home. Do 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 do. Wow wow. Do 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 do. Not too bad. Ah! Jesus Christ! It's freaking windy! Ooh! Boss 302? No. Just a green Mustang. Still clean though. Bro. Thank you. Stop dying. Oh, good lord. Somebody took out that. Somebody said ain't nobody crossing this goddamn crosswalk. Boom. Barely made it. Ah! Hey, G-Wagon. Frickin' tank. Make sure I'm still filming. I am. Bro, I freaking hate daylight savings time. It's literally like 5:30 right now. Are you kidding me? Why is it dark? Can we just please like cut that crap out? Why is this still a thing? Why? Whatever. Somebody needs to freaking cut that crap out. Please. We're not farmers anymore, or whatever the crap they used it for. Oh yeah, we got Christmas lights coming out now too. Woohoo! We're like over halfway through November. God dang. This video is not even gonna come out till like freaking December or January probably, because I've been trying to film a lot while the weather's warm to get me through the winter, you know. But to all you in the future, Thanksgiving is a week from today actually. So, I don't know when this will come out, but happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas, probably. No excuses that I know. Nice. Excuse me. Better go, Mr. Beamer. Bruh, one of y'all freaking go. Are y'all dumb? God. We have the right of way, go! Okay. Whatever. Boom, 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 boom. And we missed the light. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. God dang, brother. I don't like being right here. All the cars are like big old truck. Hey. Yeah. Big old truck. hungry. Don't know what we're having for dinner. Probably pizza or something. Oh wait, yeah, I think we are. Low-key unhealthy, but whatever. Whatever. Hey, you ain't got your headlights on. See how slow we go on this part. People always be creeping. Okay, not too bad. I like these back roads. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I like the highway. You gotta have a good mix. Even though I suck at cornering. Oh, okay. Nice blinker, nice blinker. Bro thinks he's driving a BMW. Just kidding, just kidding. Beamers are cool. I would definitely drive a nice Beamer if someone gave it to me. Don't worry. Nice little 350Z. I saw a little bumper cut out there for a turbo or something. That's sick. Little drift build going on, I see. Maybe. Anyways, that's gonna be it from your boy Bake today. I'm almost there, and you know, nothing really new to talk about, so I'll catch you on the next one. Later.